All right, so Christmas came a little early. My wife bought this for me and it got delivered today. So there's no chance of me waiting till Christmas to open it and try it. So here we are. I found some royalty-free music, hopefully no copyright. So it comes with a couple of mounting options, and once I get the seats in, I'll figure out the best place to mount it. Hopefully I was going to be able to hang it from the back bar, hang it downward below the bar pointing towards the front. Another option is perhaps where you would typically put a rearview mirror across the front bar, but I'm not sure if it would probably obstruct my view perhaps. Perhaps could always mount it to the top of the bar and have it pointing downward. I don't know if there'd be wind noise or not. You know, I guess I could always try one thing and always move it to a different location. But it's a 26-inch. They also made a 36-inch, which I kind of like, but I thought would give me less potential of mounting options. So it's a Bazooka Soundbar G2. They also make a G3 that I think has a few additional features.